Get that baby girl. Get that baby girl. Get that baby girl. Fast. These guys are fast. Get her, baby girl. Get her, baby girl.
President Obama had the other day with some of the Republicans. Some people say that good bonding can come with good conversation and good food. Do you think that this was effective?
They're having a ball here today. Get her, baby girl. Zoey.
I mean, the fact of the matter, people used to do this all the time. The president used to have people over to the White House, other presidents, and this president of both parties. They talk about things, they'd hash things
Get her,
out.
bitch. Get her, Zozo. Get her, Zoey.
The fact that the president invited some members of the other party to dinner
Fast for me.
big news. I mean,
Go, Zoey, go. Go, Zoey, go.
when, he invited,
Get her, Snakes.
Chris Van Holland of his own party to come to the White House.
Get him, Zoey. Get him, Zozo.
It's all good. I mean, I'm gonna, I'm suddenly
Disappeared
creating a
on me.
reputation for myself.
Snakes.
As a hopeless
Get your
romantic.
butt in my face there, Snickers.
I kinda
Good
feel
boy.
like, maybe these are good
Snakes
things.
chewing a
When
bone.
when you judge
Yes.
where you are, the old saying, in the land of the blind, the one-eyed man is king.
Zoey,
So
Zoey,
here,
what you got,
we're
Zoey? You got
actually
your bone
seeing
down,
people,
Zoe?
talk to one another. I think being a romantic is a good thing, Bob.
Uh-oh. Biz, get your bone, Biz. Aw, you two bonding. How cute you two are.
Well, Justin Bieber will
So
be
pretty, Mom. Say, I'm so pretty, Mom. I'm the prettiest dog in the world. Yep, this is my video. These are my babies. We're playing. Yeah, hi, Zoey. Say, I got a bone, Mom. I got a bone. I got a bone and a new home. Yes, I do. I'm a pretty girl. Oh, there they go. Go, Zoey, go. Get her, bitch. Get her, bitch. See her tail. Zoey, get her, Zoey. Get him, Zoey. Get him, Zoey.
That's Sunday right here on CBS. No, Justin Bieber. It's 8:09. Time now to check your local weather.
We've got lingering snow showers across the Delaware
Get him,
Valley.
Zoey.
If anything,
Get
we're
him,
looking at
Zoey.
maybe a coating
Get
out there.
him,
Most of it has not had
Zozo.
a chance to really stick on contact. So more of a nuisance than anything, some reduced visibility. Still kind of blustery out there. As the day goes on, the temperatures climb. We might see some rain mixing in with that snow. But again, not much
Trying to
to
steal that bone, are you, Zoey?
Tonight,
Zozo.
the weekend looking so much nicer, even milder on Monday.
Get him, Zoey. Get him, Zoey. Get him, Zoey. Get him, Zoey. Zoey, get him, Zoey.
Look at